Ooh, turn that up. I love this Chicago song. Saturday in the park, I think that it was at dinner side. What a day in the park, I think that I was at dinner side. People smiling, people dancing, some women playing guitar, singing for a song. Hey y'all, this is CC Davis and I teach 5th grade ELA at Newington Elementary School in Summerville, South Carolina. Newington is a Leader in Me school, and this year our theme is Newington Leaders Are World Class. Discovery Education has helped me bring the world into my classroom through mystery Skypes, virtual field trips, and even author Skypes. Outside of school, I find joy in 3 things that can be spelled in the acronym JOY. One is Jesus. I really enjoy spending time volunteering in my church. Another is outdoors. I love being outdoors, especially going to outdoor movies with my 2 children, Dorian and Amina. Lastly is you. I love spending time with you at Discovery Educator Network events. One time this year in my classroom when I have seen teaching and learning transformed was when we were participating in a tech challenge. There was a brand new teacher who was not participating, and when I asked her why, she said that it was because she didn't know anything about technology. I was able to sit down with her, and within 2 days she was able to earn 6 of the badges for the technology challenge and was so excited about using this technology with her students. I do hope to get picked for DenSI 2016, and I hope to see you there in Chicago.
Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.